Hey, what's up, everyone? This is John from Contention Media, 5-Minute Guide, and 570 Drone. I've had a Roomba, one of these little iRobot Roombas. I cheaped out and got the 650 because it is kind of awesome. I've had this thing for, I don't know, about a year and a half now, and it's kind of awesome. Thing is, a few days ago, I started noticing, not just a few days ago, but a few weeks ago, a couple months ago, I started noticing it's not really doing the job it used to do. And I was starting to question how much I loved my Roomba until I discovered for like $14 on Amazon, you can buy new brushes, new filters. I'm going to put the link in the description below so you know which brushes and accessories and filters and everything I'm talking about. It's actually kind of nice because it is a whole kit. Now, if you wanted to go, if you went to Walmart right now, or if you went to Sam's Club or Target or anything like that, you're going to pay $40. That's expensive. So for $15, this stuff is way better. When I got these things in the box, it came with, well, this filter. You could probably see the dust around me right now. I just pulled it out. I used this a couple times already just to test it. But we got 3 of these filters. Pretty great. 3 of these things. The little brushes that get the corners and whisk of whatever it does, they work. These locking screws that lock these in. And you also get the 2 brushes, this rubber thingy brush and this brush. And it's a little different than the one that comes in, that then comes with the Roomba. This has the one that comes in the box with the Roomba, this furry brush or bristle brush or whatever you want to call it, comes with like these plastic things. This one has rubber. I think it's a good thing. You also get these little cleaning tools. And the cleaning tools are awesome. That little circle one here, you just take it and whoops, you run it through, pull whatever you get out. And this one's kind of nice because you know how you get the hair and rope and, carpet stuff tied up in this? It has a little blade in it. So you just hook it under, cut through everything, flip it around, and pull it off. It's that easy. These tools are awesome. I love them. Anyway, for the review part of this, they work. They work perfectly, as good, if not just a little bit better than the ones that come with the Roomba. And for $15, you get more than the accessory kit Roomba / iRobot would sell you for $40. They're completely worth it. Again, this is Jonathan from Contention Media, 5-Minute Guide, 570 Drone, and like half a dozen other YouTube channels. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, check the links below. Use those to purchase everything I talked about here because I get a little commission every time you do, and I love that. I mean, who wouldn't? And what else? Oh, subscribe, comment, ask any questions. I try to answer all the questions, so ask any questions in the comments, and I will go ahead and try to answer them fast. Okay, I'm done rambling.
He probably won't answer them. Bye.
See you guys.